The mass of a student is 61 kilogram to 2 SF. What is the range of values of this measurement? Solution. Now we have 61 kg to 2 SF. So in this case, for 2 SF, this is first position, then second position, and that means we have the last number. The last number, which is 1, and looking at the place value. The place value of what we are looking at here, this is unit. The place value of 1 here is 1 unit. And in this case, what does unit represent? Unit means 1. Now we get our error. The error is going to be equal to plus or minus this 1. Then you divide by 2. So we have plus or minus 0.5. Now, we want to get the range of values of the measurement. And for the range of values, we have the lower band less than or equals to A, then less than upper band. Where A is what? A is the actual value. Now, we cannot get the lower band. The lower band is going to be equal to what? 61 minus 0.5, then less than or equals to A, less than 61 plus 0.5. Now, 61 minus 0.5 will give us 60.5. Then we have less than or equals to A, less than 61 plus 0.5, we have 61.5. So this describes the range of values of the measurement. We can also write this as 60.5 kg then to 61.5 kg. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.